plan. We needed the x-intercept there, right? Okay, so to find the x-intercept, we know the y-coordinate is 0, so I need the equation of the blue line. To find the equation of the blue line, okay, I need to know a point. How can I find the point? Okay, I'm going to find the point of intersection of the red and the green graph, right? To find the gradient, once I've got the x-coordinates of A, to find the gradient of A, they tell us it's a tangent. Okay, so the gradient of the tangent is the gradient of the derivative of the function that it's a tangent to. So in other words, it's a long piece of muscle. Okay, once we've got the x, we sub into f dash of x, then I've got the gradient. So I'm going to go 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. So first thing, find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So to find the coordinates of the point of intersection, and guys, it's section B. Okay, so you can use calculators. So at A, what's happening? F of x is equal to g of x, right?
Yes.
So I've got x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 3x plus 9. So the 3x plus 9 is going to disappear and you're going to be left with x cubed, we don't need a calculator, minus 5x squared is equal to 0. Take out x squared, you're left with x minus 5. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 5. Okay, always check your answers make sense on the graph. What have we just figured out? The x-intercepts of where the x-coordinates, of where the two graphs meet. So here is the x-coordinate of 0. So at A, the x-coordinate must be 5. Okay, so the x-coordinate of A is equal to 5. But we need the y-coordinates as well. So how am I going to get the y-coordinates sub into which equation? Either one, right? What's the easiest one? The straight line, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the y-coordinate of A is going to be equal to 3x plus 9, which is 3 times 5 plus 9. You have to show all the working, which is equal to? So what's the coordinates of A? 5, 24. Okay. Fish? Right. Now I've got that. Okay, so I have done step 1 in my plan. Done this point thing over here. I've got the point of intersection. Then what do I need to go find? The gradient of the tangent. How are you going to find the gradient of the tangent? You're going to sub into the derivative of the red function, right? Okay. So.
Which does that specifically be the red function?
Yeah, because this is a tangent to the red function. To the cubic function, right? So, f dash of x, so this is part 2, is equal to what? What's the derivative equation going to be? 3x squared minus 10x plus 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, at A, the gradient of the tangent is going to be f dash of 5. Okay? Sub into a derivative equation, we get the gradient at that point, which is the same thing as the gradient of the tangent at that point. Okay, so m is equal to f dash of 5. Okay, so your gradient is going to be equal to 3 times 5 squared minus 10 times 5 plus 3. Use your graph as a check. When I get the answer for the gradient of the blue line, should my answer be positive or negative? Should be positive. Yeah, don't get a positive answer, you made a mistake, go check. Okay. Use your graph as a check. So I've got 25 times 3 is 75. 78 minus 50, 28.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, so your gradient is equal to 28. So now, I've got the gradient of that tangent. So I've done that step, right?
Yes.
Why did I want to do all of that? Because I wanted to get the equation of the blue line, right? So step 3, to find the equation of that h, I'm going to use y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, do I know the gradient?
Yes.
Yes, it's 28.
No.
So y is equal to 28x plus c. Do I know a point on the blue line?
Yes.
Yes, what is it? Check it, your oaks. Sub in 524. Okay, now I get 24 is equal to 28 times 5 plus c. So 24 minus 28 times 5, I'll do this one in my head. What should I try? 24 minus 100, no, it's too good. 24 minus 140 minus 116, isn't it?
Yes!
Yay!
That was fantastic!
So C is equal to minus 116.
Wrong.
Okay, so what's the equation of that blue line? Y, and that also makes sense because this line goes down forever, so that's where it will cut the y-axis. Shut up. So y is equal to 28x minus 160.
Where's my friend be nasty?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the equation of graph what? H, eh? You don't have to write h of x, but if you want, you can. So the blue line has an equation of 28x minus 160. But what was the question? Okay, so I've got this equation now. Y is equal to 28x minus 116. Okay. Then what? Then I'm going to sub in what? What coordinate do we know at that point? So I sub in y is equal to 0 to find x intercept. Okay, so 0 is equal to 28x minus 116. 116 is equal to 28x.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yeah,
I'm guessing it's 4. Is 4 no a fraction? Is it a fraction?
Yeah, 4 comma.
4 comma?
Oh,
Is it a fraction? Give it to me as a fraction.
29 over 7.
Okay, let's leave it like that. So 29 over 7, like that.
Not 7.
Okay, sorry, 29 over 7 is equal to x. And it looks kind of right because 29 over 7 is 4 comma something, and that's 5. Okay, so 4 comma something looks good enough. Okay, so the question was, what's the coordinates of h, eh? Of b. So b is the point 29 over 7 and 0. Okay, so guys, with these longer questions in section B, break it up into like little parts. To find, go to the question first. To find those coordinates, what did I need? I needed the equation. To find the equation, how could I possibly get the equation? Well, I need a point. How can I get a point? Point of intersection. Okay, but I also need a gradient. How can I get the gradient of the derivative? And then start working it out. Okay, a lot of you have the strategy, I'm just going to write everything I possibly can down. Okay, that's fine if you really don't have a clue what's going on, you might pick up some marks, but try to get some kind of a plan. Okay. Are we okay with that? Can I go to the next one?
No. So can I get more tissue?
Not yet, just try to get it.
So she's snorting.
She's snorting.
No.
Okay, but you haven't got, isn't the next one the derivative one, eh?
Yeah.
Has everyone tried this one? You want to try it first?
No, you want to try?
Okay.
Yes.
Try quickly. Okay, but be careful about how you're reading the question, eh?
Haven't we done it? No, we haven't. You have. Yeah, I have. No secret for that. Oh. Oh, yes. What values of x is f of x increasing? When the derivative is positive.